Oh my God, now he's roasting corn. I don't know what this jockey's doing. He's blowing his horn. He's coming over here. Yo, where do you really come from, brother? What neck of the woods do you really come from? He's in his army gear and his khaki safari shoes from Africa. Going like a, look what he's got corn on here. A fire over here. Another fire here. And I don't know what he just, oh my God. Look at the juices in this bad boy. Juices be running on this bad boy. A grade A steak. Yay. What you gonna do? It's all there about a hickory wood and the white birch, the silver birch. Oh my God. And the black birch. All fresh wood. All wood. No fire starter. Just a match, and you know what? I'm the God from Arthur. Because I'm telling you right now, this is the oak tree. This is what we spree for. This is what we stand for. This is what we do. This is what we do. This is what we do. This is the Canadian way, baby. So Americans, come our way. Don't spend money. If it's bad money like Walmart, don't come in here if you're like Walmart. If you're like a Canadian Tire, you can come. Starbucks, go fuck yourself too. $8 for a cup of coffee ain't doing it. Okay? See you later, alligator. Ciao, baby, and blow a kiss. Muskokas! Woo! Fire starter! The forest therapy!